Hello, what is happening? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another art vlog. I thought I'd do a second part to my art vlog that I posted before. I was actually working on this large piece. It was a paint pour and I was experimenting for a festival, and basically I really loved how this piece turned out. But unfortunately there was a lot of cracks, so I got pouring medium because I found out that you need to have some sort of medium to add to the paints so it doesn't dry out. So I wanted to fix the cracks by applying more paint on top. However, it didn't really work out, so I just left it. And because I was a little frustrated, I just wanted to paint and create something different. So that's what I did here on a smaller canvas. And for me, when I'm experimenting, I like to test out with cheaper paints, and then once I know what to do and how to achieve certain things, then I'll go ahead and use more expensive paints. And here I'm testing out with different colors. I didn't really like how there was so much beige going on, so I wanted to add some white. The more I create, and most of the time I'm just intuitively painting, I'm just kind of going with the flow, no crazy expectation. And I noticed afterwards, when I see my work, I noticed that a lot of the colors I choose, a lot of the work that comes out on top, it usually resembles some sort of earthy nature kind of tones. And a lot of my inspiration does come from aerial landscape images that I find on Pinterest. It is so beautiful with what you can discover in the world and with nature, and I try to emulate that, but also tie into crystals. They always have different meanings behind them and different uses for them. For me, I believe in it and I like to add it into my art. And I'm also fascinated with just the beautiful unique layers and different colors that you have when you cut a crystal or cut a rock. You see the different pigments and minerals. So that's kind of what has inspired me, especially for this piece right here. I wanted to change up the color and use some more earthy tone colors, and that's what I made for this paint pour. Yeah, honestly, it was really fulfilling and it's really great, and I feel like I was prepared for the live painting at the festival. I'm gonna be packaging this baby to a lovely home. I'm so excited for it. Hello, welcome back. I thought I'd talk on here because it's been a minute since I've, checked in, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this art vlog. I feel like it was kind of all over the place, but that's kind of how life has been this past month and the the month before that. You know, prepping for the festival, I was basically trying to learn different techniques and planning some certain things out, and yeah, it was really fun live painting at a festival. It was really chill too, and it was such a great weekend that I had. I just got back yesterday and I just feel like fully recharged and refreshed, and I met so many like amazing creative people, and I made some new connections, and I think that's one of the wonderful things about art, just being able to express yourself, but also meeting like-minded creatives coming together. And so it was really, really beautiful. That said, I'm really glad I put myself out there. I feel like it kind of gave me the confidence and reassurance as an artist. There are moments where I second guess myself, and I think this weekend kind of taught me like, no, like this is the path I'm meant to be going on. And the reason being is because like at this festival I actually sold one of my most expensive pieces. I even met a lovely couple who was actually really interested in my work. It was just so surreal because they really were adamant about purchasing one of my more expensive pieces, which I was kind of like shocked because as an artist, especially like if you're new and starting off, sometimes you like second guess yourself and sometimes you're not sure, but at the same time you put all this work and effort into creating these pieces that the price is the right price, you know? So anyways, they bought the piece, and I was just really happy to have made a sale, and it just kind of gave me that sign from the universe that like this is the path I'm meant to be going on. I was kind of feeling off and just sort of like in my head and kind of asking myself like, oh, is this the right path I'm meant to be on? Is this right for me? Because I feel aligned and I feel like I'm meant to be doing this, but it was really nice that I got that reassurance from life and from the universe. Just being able to get that reassurance back that like, hey, like there's something here, there's something brewing and growing that I need to take advantage and just go for it. And I think that weekend just sort of made me feel a lot more confidence in my own work and in myself. So yeah, I just wanted to thank you as well for just supporting, even if you're just watching my videos or liking or commenting, whatever that may be. I just want to thank you. And yeah, stay tuned for some more art videos. If you guys are interested in my work, I will leave it all linked down below. I did recently change my name. It's Anna Yon Lee, which I made that decision. I felt like it was the best decision for my art. Stay tuned for another thrifting video. I really miss thrifting. I miss getting creative with like clothes, and I need to, you know, have a new fall wardrobe. With that said, I will catch you in my next video. I hope you guys have an awesome one. And also, if there's something that you want to do in life and you're not sure, just go for it. Just try, just take that risk and just see where that will lead you, because you never know. Honestly, I feel like you have to just take that leap of faith for yourself, because no one else is going to do that for you. Thank you for watching. I love you. Have a good day.